Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in Nifty index futures and options. First let us see where the market is going to open. Now the chart you are seeing is the Singapore Exchange Nifty index price, and now it is trading somewhere around 11,331. Since we are posting this video presentation much earlier, there will be minor changes in the price opening, actual price opening. Yesterday the price, our NSE closed somewhere near 11,281. After that you could see the market went flat, but it's now trading near the high. So how we can put this into in our NSE chart. This is our Nifty index chart. Yesterday the price closed near 11,306, approximately near 11,300. Okay, today it's expected to open above the high, so maybe you can say near the yesterday's high the market is likely to open. So today also you can expect Nifty index to stay on the buying side. So what are the options, what are the possibilities? See, what one thing that can happen is, right after the opening the index can rush itself to reach 11,360. So if that is happening after 11,360, it cannot continuously move up. So there are chances that the price will come down for correction, possibly around 11,260 or within this zone, or 11,240 in this support line. You can go for buying, so that again the market can pull up itself. So this is a normal price action that can happen in Nifty. So after the opening it is testing a key resistance, and then it is a drop, take some support, and then it can move up. If at all the momentum is very strong, so like what happened in the yesterday's market, so it will open somewhere, it will test 360, it will stay within this trend line without breaking this trend line, and it will keep the momentum and it starts moving continuously. That can happen only if the momentum towards buying is very strong. So these are the various options, but whatever it is, we would like to stay on the buying side. Buy till 11,260 by placing stop at 11,250. That is one option. The other option is you need to go for buying till 11,200. We know that it is a 100-point stop, that is not possible. So now let us see what are the options we have for how we can trade in options market with this information. And we are coming to the end of expiry. So tomorrow is the monthly expiry for futures and options, so time decay will be a key factor. For this, what you can do, so we need to select a proper strike. So you can be a seller of put option. So to get some advantage, you can be a seller of put option. What you can select, so if the market is opening somewhere near 11,300, so assuming, so let us go back to the Nifty chart, and assuming that right after the opening the price is moving up. Okay, if the price is moving, what we are expecting, there will be some drop, and then we can go for buying. So if at all if you are expecting a drop, and if you want to go for buying on the drop, so select this 11,250 put option. So it closed somewhere near 44.35 yesterday. So I'll show you the chart, 44.35 here yesterday. So if the Nifty price is dropping down, so maybe it will have an increase in value. Wait for this strike to come near 60, then go for selling by placing 20-point stop around 80, expecting the market to come down. So this is our expectation, that if at all you see that the Nifty index price is dropping, so what you can do, you can select somewhere near, if the price is dropping somewhere near 11,260, obviously you should get that put option somewhere 11,250 strike to come near 60s or 66. So sell that option, expecting the market to give a bounce back. So whenever the price is dropping and if it is giving a bounce back, try to be a seller of option. That will give you a clear advantage based on the time decay. Or if you want to put your luck on this call option, so what you can do, you can select this 48 strike, 11,350, which is at 48. You can go for buying if there is a drop, or right after the opening, but you should wait and see where the price is going to stay. It's not a very easy zone for you to pick. So right after the opening, if the market is straight away shooting towards 11,350, 360, maybe you will not get an opportunity to go for buying in the call option. So what you need to do, obviously you should wait for the price. So there are chances that you will get this 11,000. So there are chances. Wait and see. 11,300 is also a best strike if the price is coming down to 60. So it's trading at 72. So since the market is expected to open up little bit up or near this high, the price will be somewhere at 80. So if the price is dropping down to 11,260, this 11,300 put option, 11,300, this call option should come to 60. So in both the ways, 11,300 or 11,250, both the price may come near 60s or 66, then go for buying. Yeah, if you can buy call option or you can sell the put option, but selling put option for today is advisable. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Up trading. Take care. Bye.